So hi everyone, I am Ken and welcome to my art appreciation vlog. Today I'll be sharing some artworks and creative pieces that really moved me. I'll talk about one from world art, one from Asian art, one from Filipino art, and something personal that inspires me. So let's start this journey through art and touch my heart and open my eyes. So first, let's talk about world art. For world art, the piece that really amazed me is the creation of Adam by Michelangelo. You've probably seen it before. It's the famous painting on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel in the Vatican, the part where God reaches out to touch Adam's hand. What I love about this artwork is how it shows the connection between God and man, the detail, the emotion, the power of that one almost touching moment. Grabe siya ka-symbolic. It reminds me that life and creativity come from something greater than us. Michelangelo didn't just paint a picture, but he captured faith and humanity in one masterpiece. So, when I first saw it online, I was amazed how a painting made hundreds of years ago still speaks to us people today. That's the power of old world art. It connects generations and beliefs through pure expression. So next is Asian art, and I choose the Indian classical dance, like this. I find this art from very unique and powerful. Every moment, every gestures, and even the facial expression have meaning. Dili lang siya basta sayaw, pero kaya storytelling through using the body gestures. And also, what fascinates me is how dancers use rhythm, color, and tradition to tell stories from their culture. The costumes are full of bright colors and gold. The music blends with their graceful moves. Watching it feels like seeing a poetry in motion. So for me, it represents discipline, passion, and respect for a culture. It reminds me that art is not just what you see, but also what you feel. And Asian art, like this one, shows that beauty can also come from tradition and deep emotion. So next one is the Filipino art. So my my ako napili kay very unique siya. And I think murag ako rin makapili og kani. So for the Filipino art, my pick is Isabel by Ben Cab. This artwork really touched me because it's based on a real person that the artist saw on the streets. A woman wrapped in cloth walking alone. And also, Ben Cab turned that moment into something meaningful. Isabel became a symbol of struggle, loneliness, but also resilience. When I look at it, I see the reality of Filipino life, how we keep moving forward even when the things are hard. And also, I think that that is why this piece is so powerful. It's simple, but it speaks to the heart. Filipino artists like Ben Cab remind us that art is everywhere, even in sadness or poverty. It tells our story as a people, strong, emotional, and hopeful. So the last one is the personal connection. So I choose the artist that very known, that even elementary people can know it. So he's one of our national hero. So for my personal connection, I choose the film General Luna. This movie really left a mark on me. It's not just about war, it's about love for the country and standing up for what is right. General Luna, bravery and anger at the betrayal of his fellow Filipinos made me realize how a story repeats itself when people forget unity. The acting, the music, and the cinematography were all intense. It feels like watching a piece of living art. Also, this film inspired me to value our history, our heroes more. It made me proud to be a Filipino and reminded me that art is not just painting or music, but also storytelling that can move hearts and awaken minds. That's all. Ah, no. After learning all these artworks, I realized that art is not just decoration or entertainment. It's also a reflection of who we are and what we believe in. From Michelangelo, Divine Touch, to the rhythm of Indian dance, to the emotion of Ben Cabsabel, and the courage of Henry Luna, art teaches us to feel, to think, and to remember. It made me appreciate how artists express what words cannot. Arts connect people, generations, and culture. It's something that reminds us we're all human, capable of creating, feeling, and inspiring others. Thank you for watching my vlog, and I hope you also find your own art that moves you.